So this video now is on polygons. I've only got 3 polygons on here, but you'll notice in the sheet that I've sent you in this email as well that there's more polygons. I'm only putting on these ones here, the 5, 6 and 8 sided, because they're the most popular ones. But basically a polygon is any shape that's made up of straight sides, a couple of straight sides. So the 5 sided one, the pentagon, 6-sided hexagon, and then 8-sided then's octagon. So make sure you know the names of them couple. There's 2 properties now that I'm going to show you about polygons, and these 2 properties apply to all polygons. And what they're going to do is enable us to calculate the size of the angles inside a polygon and the exterior angles as well. I'm going to draw a couple of lines now around the outside of these polygons, and then I'll take it from there then. So I've drawn my lines now outside. All I've done is extended the line on the polygon. So I've extended that line there of my pentagon straight out. I've extended that one straight out. I've extended that line straight out, and so on. That's all I've done. I've just started with the first one, and then I've gone round a clockwise order. Same with my hexagon. I've gone straight on up and extended it out, straight across and extended it out. So again, I've gone round there clockwise, and then the same then with my octagon, extended straight out, and so on. Now I've done that because that's showing me all my exterior angles. So all them orange angles now on my 3 different shapes, they're my exterior angles. If you follow the direction that these orange angles are going, my orange line's pointing up that way first of all, and then it's pointing down this way, it's pointing down this direction, it's pointing across there, up that way, and then straight back there again. So the total angle that those exterior orange angles are going to add up to is 360. If I follow all them orange lines, it's going to take me right round a circle. So they have to add up to 360. They're all exactly the same, because another word that I didn't write down here anywhere is the word regular. If we say regular, then we're assuming that the lines on here are all the same length, therefore my angles are all the same length. So all my exterior angles will sum to 360. So that exterior angle there is going to be 360 divided by 5, because I've got 5 exterior angles. So 5 onto 360, 5 onto 36 is going to go 7 times, with 1 left over. 5 onto 10 will go twice. So an exterior angle there is 72. All the exterior angles in my pentagon are going to be 72. Now, if I do the same thing with my hexagon, it's going to be slightly different. They're all still going to add up to 360 for me, but this time I've got 6 angles exterior. So divided by 6, 36 divided by 6 will give me 6, 6 and 0, 0. So each of these angles now is going to be 60 degrees. All them angles are all going to be 60 degrees. And then the last one then, my 360 degrees here is going to be divided out by 8. 8 and the 36 will go 4 times for 32. With 4 left over, 8 and the 40 will go 5 times. So each one of these angles now is only going to be 45 degrees. So each exterior angle in an octagon is all 45. Each one of them is worth 45. That's my exterior angles. Now I want to get my interior angles. I'm going to mark them in, and then we'll come back to that. So I've got my interior angles marked in now. I've marked them all green. So I've got my 5 anterior angles in my pentagon, 6 anterior in my hexagon, and 8 anterior in my octagon. So now I want to find the size of one of my interior angles. If you look at your exterior, remember the orange one, and if I look at that along with an interior one, look what shape they make. They make a full half circle. So 1 exterior plus 1 interior, all of that all together is going to add up to give me 180. You should see my exterior and my interior are sitting there along that straight line, so they should add up to 180 all the time. So 1 exterior plus 1 interior equals 180. If all that's 180, I've got 72 so far, take your 72 away from your 180 and you'll be left with 108 degrees. So every single one of the wee angles inside my pentagon is 108 degrees. 108 there as well. Same idea now with my hexagon. Pick an exterior angle there. Let's say I pick this one here, that's sitting there at 60. That exterior angle plus that interior angle are sitting on a straight line. So together they have to add up to 180. So 180, take away the 60 I already know, leaves me with 120. All them angles inside my hexagon are going to be 120 degrees each. And then lastly then, look at your octagon, do the same thing. I'll pick 1 exterior angle there, I'll pick that 45, add that on along with my interior. You can see again, they sit there on that straight line. And if I take my 45 away from my 180, I'm going to end up with 135. So each one of those interior angles in an octagon is 135 degrees. All them green ones are 135 degrees each. So just to summarise, the exterior angles on any polygon at all your exterior angles will sum up to 360. That's my orange ones. And one interior angle plus one exterior angle, so that's a green one plus an orange one. If I add them two together, they will always add up to give us 180.